akekho umuntu ezomnika ibhoku imali zingamhluphi because njalo mazikunika they want something from you. It's an exchange of gifts. Uzonikela nga something engeke uze kube mnandi kuwe ukuthi unikele ngayo and then bakunikele imali. Yabo. Abancane ufuna umfazi, abancane ufuna ingane yakho. Yabo. So it's not that easy ukuthi ungathatha le mali.
Sithwalo lesi.
Yes, it's serious.
Mara ngikubona kwakho mina kethu ucabanga ukuthi lelibhunu leli Paul Kruger kahle yini le wayenda le mali ize igadwe dipoko letinemandla kakhulu.
Akuyena uPaul Kruger owayegangile abantu abamnyama who were working with Paul Kruger. Abantu abamnyama kade baqala ukuthengeka. It's not today.
Okay.
Yabo kunezinyanga ezistrong ezayihanjwa uPaul Kruger. Black people and Indians. Yibona abakhanda lento le yeyipokwe. Because most uzogijima lapho ugijimisa isipoko seNdiya.
Okay.
Yabo khona namabhunu but eSendiya si strong.